大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our 12th lesson of the series Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. In this lesson, you will learn a phrase 不开工. It means no work. Just in learning this one phrase, you will remember 3 Chinese characters. Without further ado, let's get started. The first word we are going to learn is 不. 不. It means no, never, not, something like this. So how can we remember this word? Look at this picture. This line is the symbol of the ground, and the lower part is the shape of a seed with the root. Do you see here? So as we know, a seed will never give up to grow up. So that's the meaning of it. No, never. Well, let's write the word together. Remember the writing rule from the top to bottom, from left to right. So this is the word 不. 不. It means no, never. The second word we are going to learn is 开. 开. It means open. How can we remember this? Well, these two lines symbolize a door, a very simplified version. And this part is the shape of 2 hands pushing the door open. So this is the word 开. So from top to bottom, from left to right. So this is the word 开. 2 hands push the door open. And a common phrase with the 开 is 开门. Do you see here this word 门? It's quite easy to remember this word. Well, this is the shape of the door, isn't it? It's a little bit complex than just the 2 lines because this is the main word. And also, a dot here means, while the door is not locked, it can be open and closed. So this is flexible. So this dot here means, well, the door is flexible. So 开门 means open the door. Next word we are going to learn is 工. 工. It means tool. Well, it's quite easy to remember this one because this is just the shape of a common tool. Do you see here? And the writing of it is also quite easy. Just 3 strokes. And the common phrase with the gong is, the first one is 工人. The people who use the tool is 工人, is a worker, is 工人. Another word is 工作. It means work. Well, we use a tool to get some work done. So this is work. 工作. If we put 3 words together in this order, 不开工, it means no work. So, how's it going, everyone? Please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。